Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Social media activist VeryDarkMan has finally apologized to Falanas, senior advocate of Nigeria. That is what we're going to talk about right now. Why did he do that? Why did the VeryDarkMan apologize? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, social media activist VeryDarkMan has reportedly apologized to prominent lawyer Falanas, senior advocate of Nigeria, following his recent alleged defamatory remarks directed at this senior advocate of Nigeria. In a viral audio, VeryDarkMan revealed that Bobrisky, the cross-dresser, had alleged that some Economic and Financial Crime Commission officers extorted 50 million naira from him in exchange for dropping money laundering charges against him. Sharing the viral audio, VeryDarkMan in an Instagram post claimed that Falanas sought a presidential pardon for Bobrisky in exchange for 10 million naira. The allegation was met with a response from the Falanas legal team. The senior lawyer denied the claim and insisted that he never spoke to Bobrisky about any alleged pardon. And in a turn of event, VeryDarkMan, while appearing before the House of Representatives Joint Committee on Financial Crimes and Reformatory Institutions, apologized to Falanas for the allegation. He stated that he also found it difficult to believe that Falanas was involved in the alleged bribery involving Bobrisky and some Economic and Financial Crimes Commission officers. Earlier, when this matter broke, I did a video where I said that VeryDarkMan should apologize in order to allow peace to reign. Somebody in his comment accused me of ethnic bias, that I was not supportive of VeryDarkMan because he is not Igbo, which is further from the truth. What I gave was my honest advice, given the facts of the matter. Nobody can dispute that VeryDarkMan have been doing a lot to draw attention to salient issues of corruption and human rights violation in this country. That's to his credit. But in this matter, he is the one that put himself in a position where the Falanas can sue him and prevail over him. And I can, from my understanding, his lawyers must have told him that he had a bad case going forward with the Falanas. The truth of the matter is that Bobrisky himself has a platform. So if that recording was really true, let us not forget that Bobrisky is also suing VeryDarkMan, alleging that the audio recording was artificial intelligence or AI generated. Bobrisky is suing VeryDarkMan for 1 billion. Okay? That is Bobrisky claiming that the video was not real, or the audio recording was not real. It was artificially generated. That is, by the way, but let us assume without conceding that the video was genuine. If the video was genuine, Bobrisky is the person involved. If Bobrisky want to go after the Falanas, Bobrisky also has a very large following on Instagram and elsewhere to drop that video. If really it is a video that is of interest to her, to him. But he was not the one that publicized the video. As I said, Bobrisky has followers on Instagram. Because for her to be as popular as she is, she must have thousands or hundreds of thousands, if not up to 1 million viewers or followers on Instagram. I didn't check his followers on Instagram before doing this report. But VeryDarkMan himself has 1.7 million followers on Instagram, and he dropped this thing on Instagram. That's a huge following. So if you drop information about somebody in a platform that has 1.7 million Instagram followers, you are the one that is liable to be sued, and not the person whose voice was supposedly inside the video or the audio recording. Because if VeryDarkMan didn't make it available, nobody knows about it. It would have been just a personal discussion between two people. Okay, but good enough. The VeryDarkMan, when he appeared before the House of Representatives, he has revealed the source of the video. According to the VeryDarkMan, what he told the House Committee, he said, as reported in the media, that it was somebody that Bobrisky is owing money that sent him the video, the audio recording. So perhaps when they go to court, VeryDarkMan will now use that as his own defense. It was that person that Bobrisky was owing money that gave him the recording. And if they found out that that was artificial intelligence generated or AI generated, then it means that it was that source that did the AI generation, and not Bobrisky, and not the VeryDarkMan. So that will also save the VeryDarkMan from the problem of generating AI voice, which is a serious crime. Okay? Which is a serious crime. That will leave him out on that. But the lawyers of VeryDarkMan did well for him by making sure that he apologized to the Falanas, because he is the one that spread the information. It was his platform that spread the information. That is why, the reason why they sue media organizations. They sue media organizations because the media organizations were the ones that publicized the libelous story. So when they sue media organizations, they don't sue directly the person who said it. It is who publicized it. If I say that this person is a lunatic, and I keep on insisting that so and so person is a lunatic when I'm discussing with somebody, it is just between me and him. Now, if he goes ahead to go and publish it in a newspaper that so and so person is a lunatic, and they now come for him, he can't say that because I say that that person is a lunatic, that I'm happy to be held responsible for that. No, it is he who put it out there that so and so person is a lunatic that will be held accountable. He is the one that spread the message. He is the one that has the platform, and not me that don't have the platform and didn't use my platform to say it. So that is apparently the reality of the situation. Because VeryDarkMan had been educated, perhaps by his lawyers, that under the law of libel and defamation, he is going to be held accountable. He will bear some consequences, both financially and otherwise. So the best and safe landing for him was what he had done, to apologize to Falana and let the matter end there, and also be praying that Bobrisky was lying, that thing was not her voice. Especially for the person that supplied the audio. That person should be worried if that was actually AI generated. But that is problem between that person and Bobrisky. But the VeryDarkMan, nobody is saying that the VeryDarkMan did not do the right thing by trying to bring out to the public an issue of corruption or alleged corruption. But when you are bringing it out, also know that it comes with responsibilities and the consequences. That's why you have to weigh it very well before you share, before you begin to use your platform to promote it the way that VeryDarkMan normally presents his matters. But all in all, the reason why he has to apologize to the Falanas is because VeryDarkMan must have been advised by his lawyers that he has a very bad case. That's my take on this matter. I don't know what you think about it. Whatever is your position, let us know from the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.